in the bag you go. When you're walking in this kind of forest, you need to check yourself as soon as you feel you've been pinched. There are leeches here. And let's do some cleaning up. Some of them have already had a good meal today. They're not very dangerous because they don't carry diseases. The problem is that they really stick to your fingers. They're hard to remove. And because they have an anticoagulant in their saliva, you can bleed for a while. Let's do the other foot because I can feel it stinging a little. Oh well, that's where it is. They've found a way in here. See? This one has had a good feed. I don't know how many centiliters of blood it's drunk.